Verifying your Cash App account without an ID is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the profile icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon and select the option to verify your account. Since you do not have an ID, you will need to use the Social Security number verification method. Enter your Social Security number in the required field and proceed to the next step. You will then be asked to provide your date of birth and address. Make sure the information you enter matches the details associated with your Social Security number. Once you have entered the required information, Cash App will attempt to verify your account using a third-party verification service. If the verification is successful, your account will be verified and you will have access to all of the app's features, including the ability to send and receive money instantly. It is essential to note that verifying your Cash App account without an ID may require additional steps or information, depending on the specific verification method used. In some cases, you may need to provide additional documentation, such as a utility bill or a bank statement, to complete the verification process. Best practices for verifying your Cash App account without an ID include ensuring that the information you enter is accurate and up to date, and being cautious when sharing personal and financial information online. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily verify your Cash App account without an ID and start using the app's features right away. In conclusion, verifying your Cash App account without an ID is a simple and secure process that can be completed in a few steps. By using the Social Security number verification method and providing accurate and up-to-date information, you can easily verify your account and start using the app's features. Remember to always be cautious when sharing personal and financial information online, and follow best practices to ensure a safe and secure experience.